bloating, discomfort through that digestive system, gas, and that whole looking like you're 6 months pregnant when you're definitely not is probably, again, one of the most common things that I see women complaining about. And yes, it's associated with those imbalanced hormones, but it's very much about your digestive system. When your digestive system isn't working, we don't absorb our nutrients and we can't have balanced hormones because we become depleted. Now, the reason digestive problems become such an annoying, trivial, hard to fix thing is because the digestive system is quite a complex system. There are so many different steps that are occurring along the way in order to achieve that really smooth, happy, friendly, healthy gut health, okay? So there's so many things that need to be addressed, and this is where people get tricked up. I see people doing some great things for their gut health, but because they're skipping some of the steps, they don't get the overall benefits of having that beautiful flat washboard stomach and avoiding that embarrassing gas in public, and just simply the inconvenience of not being able to wear tight clothing because you never know how your stomach is going to react after each meal. It is such a frustrating process. There are so many things involved, as you've probably already learnt. So it is a step-by-step process to heal your digestive system. And it starts with this, okay? 1, we have to be secreting adequate digestive enzymes and acids. If we're not doing that, we cannot break down our food. 2, we cannot have a congested colon. If you've got toxic overgrowth happening within your colon, that leads to the breeding and overgrowth of harmful bacteria and parasites. Now, these things produce gas. This is why you often have that trapped wind or even the gaseous thing going on, the pain and the cramping in your digestive system, because you have what we call dysbiosis, the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. We need to destroy those. We need to clear out the colon because they live inside the colon, inside that yucky congested mass. Clear the colon, get rid of those nasty bugs, stimulate the digestive secretions all over again. Then we need to reduce the inflammation and the leaky gut syndrome that develops as a result of all that shitstorm that's going on in there. If you've got leaky gut happening, we then develop food intolerances because we're not breaking down our proteins in our foods properly. Then they're sneaking in out of the gut into the bloodstream through those tight gap junctions, which aren't that tight anymore. They become leaky, and then that amounts to an immune response. So then we get all these allergies and intolerances, and then we're reacting to all sorts of foods, and then we end up on these restrictive diets and cutting everything out. But yet the problem's still going on because we haven't addressed the congested colon, the overgrowth of bad bacteria, the poor digestive secretions. Now, we also have secondary organs that affect our digestive system, our liver health, our gallbladder, and our pancreas. And they all have various different roles, from helping us to produce these acids and enzymes to increasing the motility of things moving through, breaking down fats, breaking down proteins, breaking down carbs. Like I said, the digestive system is super complex. It's naive to think that we can just go and take a probiotic pill and completely fix our digestive system with that. I know most of you have tried that because of all those crappy TV commercials out there that tell us that we should just go and take a probiotic and it'll fix all our problems. It doesn't work like that. We have to address all of these steps. We have to ensure that our digestive system, being a muscle, is working properly. And what I mean by that is these beautiful, smooth, rhythmic peristaltic waves, which are muscle contractions, which are moving through food through our digestive system. If they're not happening properly because we're stressed and we're not allowing our bodies too much in our sympathetic nervous system in a stress response, we don't relax into what we call our parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest and digest and allow that movement to happen. So again, there are so many things that are going wrong with your digestive system, so many things that you need to tick off. But once you tick them all off, your digestive system will work again. You won't have to worry about the constipation, the bloating, the cramping, the pain. It is very, very fixable. I teach all of these processes within the 7-step hormone healing system. It's all laid out step by step, map by map, everything you need to take from a supplement wise, every food changes we need to implement, and all these beautiful self-care lifestyle implementations that we can make to just support and help your digestive system, because I want you to have your life back. I want you to be able to eat what you want when you want. I want you to be able to wear the tight dresses. I don't want you to be stressed about your embarrassing digestive system late at night when you're laying in bed with your partner. All these things are not normal. They are a sign that your digestive system is not functioning properly, and they can all be fixed. So check out the link below and learn all about the 7-step hormone healing system, or feel free to jump on a call with me and I can explain it more in more detail and show you how this program could probably work for you and how it can fit in with your lifestyle.